In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by accessing your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. To activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Now to use it, copy or cut any text and paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it by selecting Clipboard and clicking on your added sentence over here. To pin one of them, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the chosen one and click on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Finally, to delete one of them, use the same pen, then click on all of those sentences to get rid of them and tap on pin icon. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!